folks, Pat Gage, the real Pat Gage here. Have you ever wanted to take an OM from a mobile home community and find out whether you want to pursue it and underwrite it further or just want to throw it in the trash? Now you can do that, folks, with my mobile home park analyzer GTP. What I've already done here on here is I put in an offering memorandum from a property we're looking at. And I also put in a specific prompt. In the course, we give you hundreds of prompts to use and get you started with this. So what I do is I go ahead and put it in there, put the prompt in there, hit on go. This is normal thinking mode. I didn't put in extended. In less than a couple seconds, I get the answers, and what it's done, that the chat GTP has gone through, read through the OM. I believe this one is 40 pages. In a matter of seconds, it's taken me the machine to read through it and give me a summary, as you can see here on the screen. It has summarized it as 28 site property, quick summary of the OM. It's below market rents, it says. It's 4 vacant park-owned homes, 3 vacant lots. What this does, folks, is get you to a yes or no or a maybe quicker than you could ever think possible. Okay, so that's what my analyzer does. This is available in my courses section on my website at www.opportunitycreator.com/courses. And this is called the Mobile Home Park Analyzer. And we also give you, like I said, hundreds of different prompts. You can take it from this analyzation of just the OM. You can analyze the T12. You can analyze the rent rolls, and you can run all different scenarios. As you can see, as quickly as this did it, it gives me a real good snapshot of what this property is. Do I want to pursue it? Here's the T5 analyzation and actuals it gives you. It also comes in here and says, hey, is this current, pro forma, or is this actual numbers? So this gives you a good amount of detail that you can say, okay, here's what I want to do, or here's what I not want to do. They also get in and say, okay, it is not losing money in their model, but it is thin, okay? It's a 2.2% cash on cash, which is definitely weak, right? So it sets up your, KPIs in there. But if you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe. Somebody you would want to benefit from this, please pass this along to them. And again, we look forward to seeing you in the course. And again, that's at Opportunity Creator /courses. And it's called the Mobile Home Park Analyzer. We'll talk to you soon, folks. Bye now.